What's up, guys? My name is Olivia, also known as Jetlag Liv, and we are currently renovating a 2003 Ford Econoline. It is a bit of a project. If you haven't been following so far, we managed to give you a little tour, clear out the entire van, and build the subfloor ready for vinyl installation. But we're gonna hold off on that for a little bit. And today we're going to build a super exciting part, or start to build, a pull-out sofa, pretty much. Yep. We're making a couch for the van that's gonna pull out into our bed for the night, just so we have a little bit extra living space. So we've got the dimensions, let's get to cutting. All right, so this is the plan. I did a little illustration here with the best dimensions that I could with what I got. I ended up getting 3 2x4s that were 12 foot long and 4 1x4s that were 10 foot long, I think. And hopefully, based off the calculations my brother and I did yesterday in Lowe's, this is gonna be, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Here.
These are gonna be the planks. This bed, this side is, you are the wheel well right now. This is against these windows, flush up here. These are like this.
On top?
Like this, yep. Give us a little bit of height too. And then this piece will be the 6 foot length. Sorry, it'll be like this, pretend it's 6 feet wide. These will be attached to this. These will move in and move out to the bed.
Yeah,
Yes.
it needs to cover the whole thing.
So we're doing a rough
All right.
sketch right now. So we'll do it like this. You got those ready? All right, so we'll do this, space this one out. This will go here, space it out. I need more, but I mean, it's not comfortable. But I think it'll work with the mattress foam on top. What do you think?
Like strangers with no hearts, stuck in our glory days, among strangers building walls, and I speak calmly to the trees, trying to give them hope.
All right, so as you can see, we wrote A on all of them. Those are all the B's, and we have to put those in these slots like this, but those, the B's, are going to be attached to this big pull-out section frame that we have. So, whew, halfway there. Look at that. right, so we accidentally screwed in the B's too. So we just undid those. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna pull it out. Let's try it. Ready? Oh my God! Holy smokes! Look at that! It's perfect. Actually, you know what? We've got to cut these down too. We just made them a little longer because you know you can always cut off. You can add more. It's probably gonna be more like this, which I can do right now, and that's what we can use those screw holes for. It's perfect. Mistakes, happy mistakes. Oh wait, no, what is it? What is Bob Ross? There's no mistakes, only happy accidents.
Yep. We just turned that mistake into a cloud. It's a cloud now.
Should I test it?
Yeah, man, do it.
I'm kind of like nervous.
Yeah.
Okay, you know what? Actually, I want to add some support in the middle there.
Oh, that's a good idea.
And then I'll land.
Yeah.
But look at it! I can't believe it. My design is on the ground right here, built. This is so exciting. Alrighty, guys. So it's 2 days later. Well, actually, technically it's the third day because yesterday and the day before, I was working on the couch bed. It took 2 days of finessing to get it perfect to where we're like obsessed with it. So what we ended up doing was adding a third leg on the pull-out section in the middle where the two would meet when it's pulled out in the middle, and then in the back of this facing the side of the van. And I didn't get any shots, and it's raining right now, or I'd go get some beautiful shots of how proud we are of this thing. I did get these 2 shots, and you can see how it transforms from a couch, and then you can easily pull it out into a bed, and the dimensions ended up being, I think the bed is about 1 foot high, and it fits to a queen size. So it is 5 feet wide by I think the dimensions are, it's 80 something inches. That's what the dimensions are, but it's a queen bed. I remember that. And I shared a little sneak peek of the entire, basically this YouTube video in a real version. So if you want to follow me, my username on Instagram is jetlaglive, and you can come join the party over there. I'm always sharing kind of like behind the scenes stuff of this build and just my life in general. So I would love for you to come hang out with us over there. And of course, stay tuned over here and make sure you're subscribed and ring the notification bell so that you can join the crew and know about all of these van build episodes coming up. I think we might have her done in about a month. Before the middle of May for sure, because the Florida Beach tour, we gotta go, baby. It's time to go. All right, guys, thank you so much for being here again. I really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.